Morning students, hope you all are well. So today in our SST class, we will continue with the chapter Natural Resources, that is chapter 16 in your book. So today we will do how can we conserve resources. Conserve here means to protect. Okay, so conservation of resources is very important as we are using them, using these resources in a vast manner. So they led to over exploitation due to increased demand, due to increased population. These resources are being exploit हो जा रहे हैं, ख़त्म हुए जा रहे हैं. So we have to conserve them. Okay, हमें इनको बचाना है. We all need to understand that resources are limited and we should not waste them unnecessarily. So how can we conserve them? That is, what are the ways to conserve resources? How can we conserve resources? First is reduce, reuse and recycle. It means that we should use our material wisely. That is, we should reduce waste, we should reuse the things which we can, okay, and recycle the things like paper, glass, canes, steel canes, jars. Fine. So that is reduce, reuse, and recycle. We call it 3 R's also. Fine. Next, we have reduced dependency of natural resources on these natural resources. Fine. Natural resources are very limited because they are formed by nature without interference of human beings. So we should use these products which are renewable. फाइन, हमें इनका कम यूज़ करना चाहिए जो प्रोडक्ट्स रीन्यूएबल नहीं हैं, जो कि नॉन रीन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज हैं. एंड वी शुड यूज़ मोर एंड मोर रीन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज एंड these non-renewable resources should be replaced by the renewable resources. Fine. So that we will depend less on these resources. Next, we have less use of natural gas. We should not waste hot water and should survive in the normal temperature of our home, so that the natural gas which people are using for heating water and buildings will be saved. Okay. Next, we have switch off electronics when not in use. Like this, we can save electricity. We should not leave the room like this only. Fans should be switched off. Yes, and lights should be switched off when you leave the room. Next, we have replace old bulbs with energy efficient light bulbs like CFLs. They will also save electricity as old bulbs need more power as compared to the energy efficient light bulbs like CFL light bulbs we can use. Okay. Manures and biofertilizers should be used in agriculture. Fertilizers, pesticides used in agriculture are harmful. So, what should we do? Farmers should start using these organic fertilizers. Okay, and mixed cropping and crop rotation. That will help in these preventing pests. पेस्ट होते हैं ना, एंड डिजीज़ टू स्प्रेड थ्रू आउट द फील्ड. डिजीज़ नहीं होती हैं पौधों को, कीड़ा नहीं लगता है. सो एंड दीज ऑर्गेनिक फर्टिलाइजर्स विल ऑल्सो इंक्रीज soil fertility. Mixed cropping will increase soil fertility. Now, what is mixed cropping? Mixed cropping or crop rotation is growing of 2 or more crops simultaneously. That is mixed cropping. Okay, in the same field. When we are growing 2 or more crops in the same field, that is mixed cropping. Like wheat and gram we have grown. Okay, like wheat and mustard we have grown. So that is mixed cropping. Renewable resources like solar energy, wind energy we should start using more and more. Okay. Recycle waste water. How can we recycle waste water? We can use waste water for agriculture purpose, or wheresoever it is possible we can use them that water. Rainwater harvesting should be installed. These systems should be installed. Rainwater harvesting system should be installed. So here rainwater harvesting is to collect or save rainwater with pumps, tanks, like in this picture you can see. This is the water which is collecting in this tank. Rainwater. Fine. Next we have create awareness among people. How can we create awareness among people? Like these human beings or people can judge which type of resources they should use. Regarding judgment of resources, which resources should be used and how can we protect them. So this type of awareness should be create should can we create these we can create among people. Yes. Next we have waste should be managed properly. Like waste should be segregated where it is being disposed of. कहाँ वो फेंका जाना चाहिए. Segregated is to separate apart from each other. Fine. Like we can use separate bins for biodegradable things, for plastic material, for wet waste, for dry waste, etc. So that is waste should be managed properly. Fine. So this is how we can conserve resources. Read out the pages, page number 29, 130 and 131 of your book, which is based on this video. Thank you.